Thank you. Court is back in session. And calls number 329-166 and calls number 329-170. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Jonathan Giovanni Flores. Mr. Flores, is that your full name?
Sir.
Mr. Flores, I have before me some documents. First document that I have is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. Mr. Flores, do you recognize this document?
Sir.
And Mr. Flores, is this your, well, first of all, Mr. Flores, let me do this here. Would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Flores, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Flores, you may put your hand down. Now, Mr. Flores, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
And are these your initials on the line stating that you want to apply for court-appointed counsel?
Yes, sir.
On the next document, this next document is titled Affidavit of Indigence. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of this same document, Mr. Flores, there's a signature, and on the line that's titled defendant signature, is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Flores, before you sign and initial all of these documents that I've just mentioned to you, did you read the documents?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Flores, I read your answers in these documents. Based on your answers in the affidavit of indigence, you meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney. And the attorney that will be appointed to represent you in this case is Attorney Giles Cole. And Mr. Flores, I also have before me a document that is titled Standard Bond Conditions in County Court at Law Number 2. The bailiff just placed that document in front of you. Do you see that document?
Yes, sir.
You can pick it up. I will go over this document with you. And this document states, following the arrest and or accusation in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the following additional conditions. Number 1, the defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who, A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol, and the test indicates the presence of drugs or alcohol in the defendant's body. And that's pursuant to the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 17.44, Section A2 and Section C2. Do you understand that condition?
Sir.
And condition number 3, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Now, condition number 3 states that the defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold on a minute. Okay, now, Mr. Flores, I'll read condition number 3 again. It says the defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense. The defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Now, condition number 4 does not apply to you because you're not charged with a DWI or driving while intoxicated case. Now, Mr. Flores, if you violate any one of these conditions, your bond can be revoked. And if your bond is revoked, a warrant can be issued for your arrest, and if a warrant is issued for your arrest, you'll be arrested and put in place in the Jefferson County Jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Flores, our court coordinator is going to reset your case. And once your case is reset by our court coordinator, you'll be free to go. She also will give you information on how to contact your attorney, and your attorney will be given information on how to contact you. So, Mr. Flores, you can, here you go. You can stand in front of the X in front of our court coordinator. All right, you have a blessed day as well. Court will be in recess.